evening, good afternoon. Someone holy fire back at it. Yep. So it's another day. Now today is Saturday. Yeah. And the sun is hot already, and it's just like after 9. Yeah. When I know this, peeps, this is how we used to have iguana at one point. They used to curl up and down. So apparently they might get enough again, because I haven't seen this in a long time. But definitely they might get enough again. Fast speed. Very fast peeps. They are very fast creatures. Yeah, but I never used to see so much. Watch it. Oh my god. No sir. They might breed up back like whoa peeps. I'm gonna come and catch them again. I get them under control. Look there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look there. No man. Look there. Look at that tree. Look peeps. Look there. So them fast peeps. My god, one more than 3 there. You know? Them a breed up wickedly. These peeps, they are breeding up back. Yeah. Terry, if I used to have them so much. That's too much now. Yeah. I'm gonna breed it back, wicked people. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah. Whoa. No, sir. That's too much, peeps. That is just too much. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's too much iguana, peeps. I like them, but not so much. Breed up then get out of control. Yeah. Then go up on your vehicle, go in a tree, mess up your vehicle, eat off everything. That's too much. Yes, peeps. So anyway, stick and stay. Peeps, trying to get my phone fixed, one of my phone. Yeah. Phone that I used to edit mainly. See it? Blank out. Yeah, scream. Green, I know what's wrong with it. So, I got a place there. So Indian own it. So let me get it sorted out. Morning. Yeah. Yeah, that's one other issue upon it, I know.
Oh, it's screen fraud.
Yeah. You cannot charge me too much. Come here, regular customer.
Update it. Upgrade.
Yeah.
What's this, necklace or a chain?
Which one is the chain?
Chain, how much?
Which one is?
Arm and a leg?
Brother, how much for the chain?
Which one?
This one, the gold one.
Full set?
Yeah.
Is a full set? Oh, bracelet and chain in it?
Can
No.
you bring the
Key?
No, $10 each.
Wow.
You know that.
Oh, earring? Yeah.
Okay. No.
Not bad.
Okay.
And then pretty.
Yeah, very pretty. Like stainless steel?
brother, not this.
Hmm?
Stainless steel.
No, them look nice. We never see them.
You get the change, right, cash?
Yeah.
Yeah. I get my chain.
This
Oh,
one
one
the
piece?
chain, yeah. And chain is on top.
So what model, sir?
Yeah, 13.
Price?
Pro Max. Yeah. Chaga charge me now.
Brother?
Display already, it's, you see the light is
Gold?
very-
Yeah, you want gold?
Mm-hmm. Platinum one, not gold.
Not gold.
Platinum.
This one. What is the price, brother?
$40.
Yeah.
Very good.
This is not gold.
Oh.
Not platinum.
That's
It's
two
fancy.
change, right?
So the earring them are
Show
what?
up, show up, show up.
Earring is $10.
Stainless.
Stainless is this one.
Stainless steel or what?
No, that one, this one is
This-
not
this is
now.
Not that one. Not that one is just fancy.
Okay.
What?
Fancy. $10.
Yeah.
$350.
This one.
How much?
$350.
$350.
250 lah.
Ring is 40.
Alright. I mean come back then.
This
Alright.
one is 30. This one is 40.
I want you to work on.
So the whole screen in one?
Whatever
Okay.
Almost.
Because if it is only green display, we can do it for 120 something. 90 to 120. But you see already lines came,
Yeah.
and the light is flickering. When you see it will, like when the tube bulb goes.
Oh. Okay.
Change the screen.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Yeah. So babes. So it's like $350. $350 between my screen. It's an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So that's it. Me use it for edit and all the things upon it too. I'm gonna go on back to. Yeah, all the things upon it too. So I kind of think say as soon as it up, if it come on a little bit, kind of thing $350. Cause $350 peeps. And actually I can get one iPhone 13 Pro Max now for like roughly about $500. So, you know, that's not really worth it to me right now, but no. I'll try somewhere else still and see. Yeah, I'm going to town, I'm going to try somewhere else. It's $350. Also. $350, see I? No? Yes, I guarantee you can get a phone. For that, for close $500-600. So that wouldn't worth it. That's like crazy. Yeah. Then you know, peeps, stick and stay. We're up on the road. I go to Windsor Park first. I'm gonna shop some work at Windsor Park, quick and fast. So stick and stay. I'm gonna win. So yes, peeps. Just finished doing a job in the sun here. I did 2 cars, 1 place, and trust me, it is nothing. I mean, I would say, I'm not saying bearable, but trust me, you have to move fast, peeps. In the sun, you have to move fast, extremely fast. When I'm in Jamaica, I'm just on detail, man, take like all a hour and a half to do 1 car. I don't have such luxury here to do that, unless I'm in the cool, you know. But in the sun, you have to move faster than that, peeps. That's why I'm saying I don't know how long I can manage this. And this is tough, peeps. You have to tough, not just physically but mentally. Else you just give up. Yeah. So big up all the hard work in Jamaica and them in a Cayman. Man, them do construction, landscaping, and pool attending. You know, all outdoor work. Big up on yourself. Take care of your family at Jamaica, and family at Jamaica you need to appreciate on your loved ones more, especially male them, because most of male work outdoor. Because it ain't easy. Because if you don't eat right, if you ain't eating right, trust me, you will drop down. Nice son. You have to eat right and make sure so your body have been enough iron and protein to manage your sun, peeps. Otherwise, you will drop oh. Yeah man, it's tough, peeps. When I say tough, I mean tough. You know? Well, you know, we are black people overall. And we survive. I just go to work, I know, say. You know, it is temporary. But I'm so glad to survive. We survive the sun. We don't do the work that move from the sun. And there was no shade there, peeps. No shade, nothing like shade. I have to stay in the sun and do it. Oh God. Tell the peeps. Life of a black man, especially a Jamaican. country. Yeah. My peeps, stick and stay and not go nowhere. No for work never done. All of the fair work. It's a big store, a big building I put up in the town so. And when you're done with Cayman peeps, no bush not go left for Cayman. Literally no bush not go left for Cayman. Cayman not gonna be a island no more. It's gonna be like a city. Like Dubai. Yeah. A city for the rich. Yes, peeps. So anyway, stick and stay, not go nowhere. I will see what else go on during the course of the day, because enough time I don't really plan nothing. I just roll with the day as the day go. I just roll with it. So just stick and stay, peeps. So we see how the day go on so far. So yes, peeps, it's after 2 now. And time is burning and the rain is come down a bit, then it stop. So I am on a quest now. Finish work, that job there. So I'm on a quest now. See if I can get my phone fixed. See the cheapest person, yeah. One person charged me $350. One repair shop told me $350. Yeah. So I'm gonna see another one. See if nobody else will charge me cheaper than that. So I'm on a quest peeps to get my phone fixed for cheaper, because I need this phone still. Yeah. Or I'm gonna have to go wait to buy a new one. So anyway peeps, stick and stay. They're on a piece of new road there, okay man? Yeah. So when I reach down like this now, yeah. Yes peeps. So now go nowhere. Let's stick and stay. So yes peeps, I'm gonna try this place. So if they fix, I don't know if they fix phone here or they just sell parts. Oh, it's a, yes bro, it's a repair phone, okay. And so they repair phone too. So let's see if I can get it sorted out. So the repair. Yeah. Peeps, so stick and stay. No go nowhere. Yes, yes. So yes peeps, it's always good to shop around, can you see? So now, the first place I said in West Bay where I live, they said $350 to fix it. You know how much we fix it here, so? $475, and they can do it for $450. Imagine that. Whoa. That's too much. Imagine me buying a phone screen. Okay. $475, $450. When I could get a phone for that. That's crazy. That sounds like some Benz parts I buy peeps. That's just crazy, freaking crazy. Because guess what though, you see the thing is to peeps, them phone here nowadays are mostly, I would say no, waterproof in a sense. And once you pull the phone, once you repair it then you have problems. I mean water will automatically go inside it if you drop in the water again. So once you repair it, trust me, you kind of mess up, because that factory seal is broken. So normally when me have a phone and it mash up and me have to repair it, normally I don't want it again. I normally sell it back. Yes, please. I normally sell it back. So, you know, so when I'm gonna repair a phone and you tell me say $450, $475 this screen alone. And now in 2024 13 Pro Max I mean, price gone all the way down. You can get one for like a brand new one for like probably 750 or so. And you have some for 475, that's 500. That's crazy. Oh my god. Yeah. Imagine that, peeps. Just imagine that. When you may stop around at the other place, alright? That's why I have 2 more places to go. I have the one here, alright? That's all. I have one nearby. And then I have one out there, so I have 2 of them nearby to check. And if it's gonna be that difficult, then I'm just going to wait and get me a new one. If I not fix it for at least $150, I not fix it. I'm not gonna spend more than that to fix it. No more than that to fix it. Oh, if one place there again. Let me see. Tell her, okay, down there so. One place down there so. Yes, please. Yeah. So let me see now, peeps. Stick and stay. I'm not gonna. The peeps, I went to this store to fix the phone. An iPhone 13 Pro Max in 2024, and the lady said $530 to fix the phone. Like, I don't know if I would be that crazy to even try to fix a phone for that. $530, peeps? That don't make no sense because the phone don't value that. Oh, the phone don't value $530, peeps. Yeah, I mean, it's a $530. I mean, I laugh after them. They must have me crazy way me laugh. They must be saying that I am crazy, but I had to laugh, peeps. $530, so it's like $330, $350, then $475, and $530. $530. Whoa. $530. Can't believe that, peeps. 530 CI. Not even US now, CI. So I'm that crazy to go pay that money. So yes, peeps, so this store charging $390. So I get $350, $390, $475, and $530. Wow. None of them in my range, peeps. None of them not in my range. Because I have no intention of spending so much fixing our phone. When the phone no value so much right about now. I got no intention of spending that money. I think them people don't give blind up peeps if it does. Drive out from them. You stay there and wait and nobody now let you through so easy. In a Grand Cayman here. So I go one more place so I know they fix phone. I have one particular place so I now go. I have a bad experience there, so I'm not gonna go there. So I just got one more place to go. And that's it. I got one more place to go, so I'm taking a shortcut through here. West Babes. Taking a shortcut through here to the lane here. drop out back in a rock hole. Yes, I'm gonna drop out back out a rock hole. Yeah. So I am on a quest to get my phone fixed, but I'm not get it fixed today, peeps. Look like I ain't gonna get it fixed today. Probably I'm just order a screen and pay for put it in. But right now that's cheaper. I'm gonna look online on Amazon and see much for a complete screen. I guarantee so much cheaper if I do that. Buy it on Amazon and get somebody put it in. I know that it will be cheaper. Yeah, so we're in a rock hole, peeps. So drive through rock hole. Yeah. Rock hole me. Yeah. Oh, I forgot remember the place that peeps. You remember this a place. I go past one more and I stop there and see Axe. Oh, that Jamaican. This is a Jamaican place. I completely forget, but when I go drive past them, I remember say they are there. Yeah. Just remember. So that Jamaican place is there. So I go see how much them I go charge. So I will tell you, because I won't be recording in there. Only if I'm fix it, then me record. If I'm not fix it, I'm not record in there. So stick and stay, peeps. Stick and stay. I'm going away. So peeps, let's see how it goes. Actually, I was told that 150 to fix it. If can we fix? So I'm gonna come back in a 1 hour time. So let's see if 1 hour time I go back it will fix. Yeah, because based on how the phone is, in my opinion, I think that the screen would have to be replaced. But I'm no phone expert, so I could be wrong. Yeah, I could be wrong. So anyhow, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna grab something for eat. What time now? 2:34, so it's like 3:34. Come back, or 3:35, so I come back. Yeah, and collected my phone. So let's see how it goes, fam. Hopefully, it is fixed. Yes, babes. So, but that would be good still if you can fix it still, because everywhere else I go, much me here, 350, 375, 475, 530. So let's see how it goes, fam. Let's see how this guy will do. I feel like a Filipino too. Yeah, so let's see if he can fix it. Let's see if he will fix it or if he can fix it, peeps. Know my style already. Always a park back way with my face out. Yeah, so stick and peeps. Come back for my phone now. Like 3:44. Yeah, so it's exactly an hour after. So let's see if the phone is ready now. Anyway, stick and stay. I tell you now I'll go on. I want to go on. Peeps. Yeah, so finally get the phone fixed. Yeah. Everywhere has been going, as I'm saying, I get be a high price. So I'm pay 150, so I'm get it sorted out. You get me I say? Yeah, so my brother used to own it. Yeah, doing long time. Model. Brother Jeff Neville. Yeah, I know family from Jamaica long time, you know. Yeah. What's the store name again? Fixed It Celtronics. Yeah, so Fixed It Celtronics. Fixed It Celtronics right on School Road. 148 School Road. So they have everything and so they have everything. Only for iPhone and thing and Samsung, they have the latest. They have good price too. And when I come, yeah, then give you a good bargain and all of that. Wait, the Mac Pro, yeah. Our year. Yeah, and the $1,000. You know, I buy one and I didn't have it because I buy it in America. I still end up paying more for it. Yeah, so still have good price then. They really have good price, peeps. And over here, so they have shoes and sitting in a handbag, but you know, and cologne and thing. But anything you want in a phone, then start out it too. If you want your laptop fix, phone, anything, any gadgets, they have it. So as I say, Fix It Electronics, right on School Road. Yeah, right on School Road. 148 School Road. So yeah, West Plaza. See then they have our JBL limit too? No. Oh, they have a music box, all kind of box. They have too. They have everything. And some headset there, so. PlayStation, control, everything they have, peeps. I have to check them out. I have to give them a promotion, I'm sorry, because as I say, I go everywhere this from West Bay to town, and I be a big price here from morning. 300 and add to 500 and add. Fix my phone, you know? Me hear a phone price to fix the phone. So I have to big them up because yeah, so I come and I fix it. I have a Filipino guy here. Filipino don't? Yeah, you know anything. So alright brother, big up yourself. Alright. So yes, peeps, see them eh? Yeah, so then there. I will support them. Celltronics sales and service. Business hours 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Then really. So Fix It Celltronics, peeps. Peter, right pan School Road. So peeps, as I say, I go right round and round. Round and couldn't get my phone fixed. Yeah. I know. I been say $500 and Filipino could have fixed it. And I pay only $150 CI fix it. Just imagine that. Cause tell you the truth, peeps, the phone I really use. If me have video, me use it. Yeah. And thing. Cause when I like use my personal phone for like edit and video and so I use it for edit too. Cause it's easier to edit with. And then me use a laptop too, but I mostly use a phone here. So I'm really glad to sort out. Peeps, really glad. So they were able to sort it out. So everybody else tell me about, and actually them they tell me about new screen. So that's the screen alone. Can you imagine? $500. I mean, how much for iPhone 13 Pro Max now, peeps? How much for that now? You know, I'd almost buy a brand new phone. Anyway, I got a West Bay now. So stick and stay, peeps. Not going away. One fire, wall fire. So yes, peeps, just reach home now. Yeah, been on the road from morning. Yeah, long time in the work so late. It's a long time, just Saturday. I'm gonna come back in the work so late. So yes, peeps, I got my phone fixed. Actually, I'm using it to record this right about now. And it's working fine so far. So today wasn't much because I was very busy, so I never really get to do now a lot of vlogging. You know, so it's gonna be a short video today, or whenever time this video upload, early Sunday morning. Yeah, because it's Saturday night now. So thank you all for always coming across and liking and sharing and subscribing. Yeah. And commenting. Big up on yourself, everybody. I'm not call a name because I call a name, I'm gonna miss out some. So big up on yourself. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah. So I'm in my yard. Let's see the street light. It's a street light right there. Yeah, right in the yard. Yeah, so hope it's bright enough. It look bright enough. I mean, I use the GoPro and I use the phone, so it look bright enough. Like you guys can see me clearly. Yeah, the mosquito are out already. Yeah. So thank you all for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And don't forget, so until next video, pick up on yourself. One fire, all the fire. Love what you do. Do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.